I'm scared. Hi. Hi. It's been a long time since she's been on my one of our videos. Why? I mean, she says she needs eyeliner. Dude, I'll punch you then. Want to see her cry? So, we should totally make this video randomness. Aren't most of our videos randomness? Mm-hmm. Pretty much. Are you a dog? I'm going to slap you. She's on crack. Swear to God. What the fudge? I only skipped one. And why am I total freaking... I need a piercing. This is gonna kill my cat. Seriously. One day, he's just gonna go, "Ugh."
Like right now.
No.
I'm not even squeezing.
She's in Canada.
No, I'm not even squeezing. This is squeezing.
Never murder your cat, seriously. Or else, like, I'm gonna shove you into a hole.
Me?
Yeah! So I wasn't talking to the computer.
I thought you were talking to the village of YouTube.
Village of YouTube.
Uh-huh.
That's okay, but okay. Okay, we're really retarded. Well, at least I'm retarded. She's retarded. No, and you will like it. Really? I hope you know that's been in a fish tank. And the fish pooped and was in there. She's still got her ear up. She's got me every time. Don't laugh when you get a blue waffle.
You're disgusting. I'm gonna laugh when you get HTTs. I mean,
I'm gonna laugh if you had AIDS by your boyfriend. AIDS. Belly dancing. That's gross. New hairstyles. Should I get the leopard paint? Should I get the leopard face paint? Let me see what it looks like on me. Yes, it is. No. Smell your cologne in the air. Sorry. Like, we're really retarded. Oh my god. I wonder if you... Oh, you can't fucking change it colors. That's so gay. Savannah, look at me.
what?
Look at it. It really doesn't look good.
That's why I said you shouldn't get it.
Yeah, I shouldn't. Alright, well, we're gonna go now because... I'm tired.
I bet you gotta get